Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got something special today. As you can see in the background, I got a new vehicle. It's a 2003 xterra, or as you guys are gonna know the name, ProjectX. Okay guys, so before we get on with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, hopefully the lighting isn't too shitty, but yeah, we're gonna put underglow on this, but I put underglow on my truck out there. So I'm gonna have to get the underglow off of the truck. This is gonna be a fun project.
Yep.
Got Angela along for the journey.
What's good, guys?
Don't know if you can hear it, but it's 25 today and
yeah, it was snowing. It was 70 yesterday.
Yep, freaking typical Ohio right
here.
So we got the truck in the driveway, as you can see, and it still has underglow on it, so I felt like putting it on there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some underglow. So yeah, I'm gonna take it off and put it on there. Okay guys, I think it took like, what'd you say, Angelo, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I finally got all of the underglow off. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's a tip of advice when you install underglow. Make sure when you run the wires, you don't put them right beside the exhaust or the headers, because they will melt and short out. Okay guys, so I just tested the underglow here, and it's good so far. It's working. Yeah, here's the control box right here, and obviously you got your LEDs, and I have 8 of them. Well, actually I technically have 7, because one of the ones says I think the green chip burned out. Onto it. Let's get on to this install. Got the car up on the lift here. Might have given the mirror a love tap with the jack right here. It's all good though, you know. She's tough. She's very tough, you know. Okay, let's get on with this install. I'm gonna put them on under here. I'm still debating. Oh, where did I put it? There it is. I'm still debating where I'm going to put this control box. I'll get back to you in a minute when I decide where I'm going to put the control box. So I just got that control box installed. Let me show you real quick. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad, but it is mounted now. Ran the wire through there beside the header. Hopefully the header will not melt it this time, but you never know. It's kind of a gamble. Okay guys, so I got one of the underglow lights mounted up here. Let me show you real quick. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, should be good enough. Yeah, there's one. We're gonna do back right here. Probably can't see because the lighting is terrible in here. I'll get back to you when we get the back one installed. Okay guys, I got the this side installed. I hope you can see that. But yeah, there it is. It's kind of a pain because it's hard to drill into up there. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and install the other side of the underglow. Then after I'm done, I will catch up to you later. So see you then. I got all 4 corners of the underglow done. So now we need to tidy up the wires, because the wires are a mess. Let me just show you real quick. You can already see. But I have them, hopefully you can see that. I have them going along the frame rail right here. There's one, and then here's the other. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, right here you can see 2 of them. So let me just tidy that up and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Okay guys, I just finished doing the underglow and I'm done now. So here's a quick view of what I did. Cleaned up all the wires and just kind of zip tied them up there, and then ran some wires across there. Hopefully they won't get melted, I don't know. Let me just turn on the lights real quick. We'll go with blue for now. As you can see, they're working though. Okay, so you guys just saw the underglow, and I'm gonna wait till it gets a little darker out so you guys can see it better. Then maybe I'll get some photos, so yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for the terrible lighting. Yeah, it's kind of dark out, as you can probably tell. But here's the finished product.
Chuki Beats.
I just want to say guys, thank you for watching the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Have a good night guys.